I guess I said I wanted an adventure. So here I am at the Castillo de San Marcos in St. Augustine, Florida, about to watch a cannon firing demonstration. I hope you enjoy the authentic show. Well, I hope that wasn't too loud for you. It was pretty loud for us down on the floor. Alright, well thanks for watching my videos and traveling with me. And of course, if you want any more information on my past adventures, you can always just check out my blog. Bye!